The Ottawa Real Estate Board released their stats for August 2024 this week, and there's a little bit of interesting news in here, but otherwise it's a pretty calm market. Prices really flat, almost a statistical error in any of the increases or decreases throughout all of the segments in August. But what is really interesting is the number of houses that we sold is actually up about 10%. Now, this is lower than the average over the last 5 and 10 years, but from last year, we're selling a few more homes. So what this means for sellers, well, if you've got something that you need to sell, it will get sold. Things are getting sold. The market is moving. For buyers, the market's pretty calm, right? So you can take your time, do some looking, find what you really need, and put in a fair and reasonable offer on it. Now, what was also interesting this week is the Bank of Canada lowered the overnight rate for banks across the country. So that's going to see a little bit of price increase through most markets as it makes it more affordable for most people to come back into the market, and maybe even for investors to come back into the market and look at buying again. So if you're thinking about buying, now might be a really good time to get out there and get going as the fall market heats up and gets going. And if you're thinking about selling, well, the market is strong enough to support new houses coming into the market. If you've got any questions, reach out, contact me. Hope everything's going well. Bye-bye.